The two of you have the same last name. Are you married?
No, ma'am. It's not complicated, but I was married to his
Ms.
brother at one point.
Robledo, please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you provide in this matter will be the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can lower your hand. You may proceed, Ms. Estrada.
Thank you. Mr. Plato, what is the name of the child before the court?
Caitlin Michelle Rodriguez.
How old is Caitlin?
She's 16.
And when was what's her date of birth?
It's 6/12/09.
Okay. Who is her father?
Rocky Robledo.
The hearing opens with an immediate point of confusion that pulls everyone in. The judge notices the mother and alleged father share the same last name, raising questions before testimony even begins. The explanation that she was once married to his brother instantly adds complexity. As the oath is taken and the questioning starts, the court signals that this case is about more than paperwork. From the first minute, it's clear this is a story shaped by unusual family ties and unresolved responsibility.
Okay. We did discuss this earlier. Sometimes, typically, a lot of our children before the court are a little bit younger than your daughter. Do you have any doubts whatsoever that Rocky Robledo is her biological father?
No, ma'am. I have no doubts.
Does he have any type of a relationship with her or with you at this time?
At this time, no. It's mainly through his sister.
Okay. So, can you tell the court about that?
He's never really, well, he's been in and out of her life, and we just maintain contact with his sister or like his mom, but it's mainly through his sister.
Okay. Did you two ever live together with Caitlin?
No.
How long were you together?
Maybe 3 months.
Okay. Several years ago, you were in court and there was a paternity action with a different father alleged.
Mm-hmm.
Who was that and what happened with that?
His name's Joey Garza, and it was either between him and Rocky Robledo, but since it came out that she wasn't Joey's, then I know that she belongs to Rocky.
And you have absolutely no doubt about that?
Yes, ma'am, no doubt.
Has he ever provided support for her?
For a little while, he did, mainly like school clothes, school supplies, but actual support, no. It's just like little stuff like that.
Do you have contact with him now?
No.
Do you know where he is today or why he hasn't ever appeared for any of these settings?
He's right now is in Lubbock. I do know that he was working at some point, but he had got put in jail for a little while, so he had to go to Lubbock to live with his sister.
Okay. What type of work does he do? Do you know?
He was working at it's like a rest area place.
Okay.
But
I like those text dot places where you can pull in.
Yes, ma'am.
The foundation of the case is laid with calm certainty. The mother identifies her daughter, confirms her age, and names the father without hesitation. There is no doubt about paternity, but there is a clear absence of involvement. He has no direct relationship with the child and has never lived with her. Communication, when it existed, happened through his family. This portion quietly highlights a recurring theme in family court. Knowing who the parent is does not guarantee they ever stepped into the role.
Is there any reason that you know of that he wouldn't be able to work at least 40 hours a week and make minimum wage?
No, he's capable of working, but I don't know why he doesn't.
Do you know if he has any other children under the age of 18?
No, he doesn't. He has an older son, but he's over 18.
Oh, when is the last time you saw Rocky Robledo?
Maybe in 2021, 22. That was the last time he had provided the school supplies for Caitlin.
Okay. The two of you have the same last name. Are you married?
No, ma'am. It's not complicated, but I was married to his brother at one point. I just kept the last name.
Okay. And there's no chance that Caitlin is his brother's child?
No, he was incarcerated at the time. My
Ah,
ex-husband.
okay. Does your daughter have any type of health coverage?
Yes, she has Medicaid.
And setting child support, are you requesting a judgment for back child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And I believe you said that he's never provided anything, or he hasn't in several years. How long has it been?
The last time he provided like just basic like school supplies, not even clothes or anything, but it was back in 21, 22.
Do you have any safety concerns if your
No.
contact information's in the order?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any safety concerns, not involving him, but involving anyone else who might have
No.
access to a court order?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. Do you think you'll exercise any visitation?
No, to be honest, no.
The court revisits a past paternity dispute that once delayed accountability. Another man was previously considered, but DNA testing ruled him out years ago. Since then, support from the father has been minimal and inconsistent, limited to small contributions long ago. Jail time, unstable employment, and long stretches of silence fill in the gaps. This segment shows the judge methodically removing uncertainty, narrowing the focus to one conclusion. Responsibility was avoided, not unclear.
Is there anything else you think is relevant that you would like the judge to know?
I mean, he's always had access to her, like to talk to her, to come and see her when he wanted to, but he never really did. He just not played it off, but just, man, she's there, so I'll just go and see her whenever. And that was the last time. And 2021 was last, or 2022 was last time he's seen her.
Does your daughter know who he is?
Mm-hmm.
And how does she address him, or what does she call him?
She calls him uncle. She doesn't really know him as a father. She knows he's her father, but he never acted like a father.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Leto. I believe that's all I have, Your Honor. I'll pass the witness and rest and close.
Okay. Ms. Robledo, did you show up for DNA testing, take the child for DNA testing on this case?
Yes, Your Honor, we did.
Okay. And evidently, Mr. Robledo never showed up or never took the testing?
No.
Your Honor.
Did he contact you regarding the DNA testing?
No.
Have you ever told him that he wasn't the father of the child?
No.
And were you married to Joey Garza?
No.
Did Mr. Garza act like he was the father of the child?
No.
This is the emotional center of the hearing. When asked about visitation, the answer is honest and direct. It's unlikely. The most striking moment follows when the mother explains that her daughter calls her biological father uncle. Not out of confusion, but because he never acted like a parent. The court hears that access was never denied, only ignored. Years of absence are condensed into a few sentences that reveal the real impact of neglect on a child's identity.
Has anyone else held themselves out to be the father of the child?
Mm-mm.
When
No.
was your action with Mr. Garza? When was it completed? Do you remember when that was?
When we took the DNA test,
Yes.
I think it was in 2012, 2011.
And so you only ever thought it was between Mr. Garza and Mr. Robledo?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any other testimony, Ms. Robledo?
No, Your Honor, that's everything.
All right. Close, Ms. Estrada.
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to establish paternity of the child, Caitlin Michelle Rodriguez, that Rocky Robledo is her biological father. We'd also ask that Ms. Robledo be designated as the managing conservator and that Ms. Robledo's visitation be specified by the court as possessory conservator, that child support be set pursuant to the minimum wage presumption with no other children, that Ms. Robledo maintain enrollment of the child in a government medical assistance program, that the court consider retroactive child support, and I believe that she has said that non-disclosure is not necessary.
Okay. I have one other question, Ms. Robledo. The last name of your child is Rodriguez. How did she get that last name?
That's my maiden name.
Okay. And you want to keep that her last name, or do you want it changed to Robledo?
She wants to keep it Rodriguez.
Okay. Do you have any other requests, Ms. Robledo, other than those mentioned by the Attorney General's office?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. By testimony, I do find that there is sufficient evidence to establish Rocky Robledo as the father of the child. The last name of the child will remain the same, Rodriguez. I will name Ms. Robledo sole managing conservator of the child with the exclusive right to determine the primary residence of the child without regard to geographic location. I will name Mr. Robledo possessory conservator. But due to the age of the child, I'm going to order possession and access of the child to be as agreed to by the parties. And I will order Ms. Robledo to maintain health insurance through a government health insurance program, and order Mr. Robledo to pay $50 per month beginning December 1st, 2025 in cash medical support. I will order current child support based on minimum wage, one child before the court, and deducting the $50 for medical, and order $222 for Mr. Robledo to pay in current child support beginning December 1st, 2025. Because another man was named in the past, and Mr. Robledo has not been part of the child's life, I will order retroactive child support in the amount of $2,000 and order Mr. Robledo to pay back at $25 per month beginning December 1st, 2025. Court costs will be assessed against Mr. Robledo to be paid 1 year from today's date. Any party can ask for a new hearing on any of the issues I've ruled on. Also, I'm not ordering a non-disclosure as none was requested. Any party can ask for a new hearing on any of the issues I've ruled on by filing a trial de novo with the Hall County District Clerk's Office within the next 3 days. It must be in writing. It must specify the portion of my ruling in which a new hearing is being requested, and notice must go out to all of the parties, including the Attorney General's office. Ms. Estrada will draft the order, submit it to me for review. Once I've signed it, copies will go out to you, Ms. Robledo, and also to Mr. Robledo. I appreciate you being here today. That concludes today's hearing, and you're free to disconnect from the Zoom meeting.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
The case moves toward resolution with final confirmations. DNA testing was ordered, but the father never appeared. With testimony complete, the judge issues a clear ruling. Paternity is established, custody is defined, and financial responsibility is enforced, including retroactive support. The child keeps her last name, and the court closes the matter with firm clarity. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.